Greetings everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a special unboxing. I've recently been working with a company called Oway Organics. And Oway Organics is one of those organic hair color lines. They tend to use more natural ingredients, and it's good for the salon that has like a boho chic feel or a more earthy salon. You can do your whole salon in Oway, you can do some of it in Oway. There's just so many ways to use this line. So I purchased a small order, and I'm going to go through what I got, kind of do my little unboxing. So I ordered a colorist kit. Now this colorist kit is on sale, so it was a good deal. You get a nice little Oway block and a little quote you can prop up. You get the Oway straw hair clips. And these guys, if I'm not mistaken, are your regular gator clips. You get a whole bunch of biodegradable caps because when you process their color, you want to use a processing cap because it is no ammonia and you do need the extra body heat to help accelerate it and develop the color. You get a color bowl, you get a color brush, which I have somewhere on the floor right here. They give it to you, by the way, in this huge box, and just make sure that you go through and you empty out all the peanuts because I almost missed one of the brushes. So you get the brush. I ordered the swatch book that I'll be going over at a future video. I got the color manual, so I ordered a color manual that comes with information as well as a paper chart. This one I thought was pretty cool. They're selling these little boxes, so I'm gonna unbox this for you. They're selling these boxes, and the money goes to Write Love on Her Arms, which is a mental health club. A lot of colleges have them. The money goes to mental health advocacy, and it's really to help you practice self-care, especially in this time when we're all at home. So inside the self-care box, you get the Original Mineral 7-Day Miracle Moisture Mask. You get a tube of a moisturizing hair mask that you'll put on your hair. It looks like a colored tube, but it's not. This is a high protein treatment you can put on your hair and help you rebuild your hair. You get a bath bomb. You get 2 little healing stones in the shape of a heart. These awesome, cute little crystal hearts. And you get, I believe this is a little herbal sage. You get a nice sage stick so you can smudge. So it has all kinds of things for your senses. I'm excited to do the smudging because I love doing herbal sage smudges. If you have traditional Italian parents, they get pissed. They're like, what are you doing? Why does my house smell like da-da-da? Why does my house smell like smoke? I don't like this. But I usually do saging when everyone is gone. Shh. Just to bring in that good energy, ward off the evil. So I will be trying out these products in some future videos, so make sure you stay tuned. If any of you are Oway Organics color users, comment down below and let me know your experience. I'd like to hear how you guys like the brand or what you guys liked, or maybe something that they can improve on, because I'm always open to hearing both sides when I try a new product or try a line. So stay safe out there, practice out self-care, and if you are a consumer, I believe you can order this box as well. I know for professionals you can order more stuff, but check out Oway Organics online. They offer training to professionals, and they get back to you in a timely manner. And it's also really cool because they're based right out of here in the USA, and you're supporting a local company. So stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys soon for more videos.